In this video, you'll learn how to create sprint reports in Jira in just a few minutes, so you can analyze your team's performance and improve every sprint cycle. First, open your browser and sign in to your Jira account. Once you're in, navigate to the Scrum project you want to analyze by clicking the project name in the left sidebar of your Jira dashboard. Next, click on Reports in the project sidebar. You'll see a variety of report types available for Scrum projects, including the Sprint Report, which is the most useful one for tracking your team's sprint performance. Now, click on Sprint Report. Jira will ask you to choose the sprint you want to review. Select the completed or in progress sprint from the dropdown, and the report will load with all the relevant data. After that, analyze the report. You'll see completed issues, incomplete issues, issues added during the sprint, and issues removed. This gives you a complete picture of how your team performed against the original sprint plan. Once you've reviewed the report, you can share it with your team. Use the share button to email the report or take screenshots for retrospectives, helping your team learn and improve from every sprint cycle. And that's it. Your sprint reports are now ready, and your team has the insights needed to keep improving.